Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Shakespeare Ugly Stick GX2. The Shakespeare have medium, medium light and medium heavy, which is great in covering most jigging through the ice. These rods are purposefully designed for fishing any micro to large jigs or spoons. The solid carbon blanks offer great control and sensitivity with even the smallest lines and micro lures. Ugly Stick GX2 is the next generation of Ugly Stick that combines the heritage and tradition of the original while maintaining the strength and durability Ugly Sticks are known for. Ugly Stick GX2 rods offer better balance for lighter feel, improved components, and eye-catching cosmetics for a more modern look. Our second best ice fishing rods is 13 Fishing Widowmaker Ice Fishing Rods. 13 Fishing understands the needs of ice anglers, which is a true testament to the time their good folks have spent on the hard water. The Tickle Stick is a peach of an ultralight that uses some thoughtful design details to up the ante on performance. Because jigging is the most popular technique, the Tickle Stick has a flat tip. This is made possible by a revolutionary blank technology, parallel composite construction, which uses linear fibers to change the shape and behavior of the blank. 13 Fishing Widowmaker ice rods are made with premium EVA handles and ALPS thin wire double diamond coated guides for the precision and durability you demand. Lightweight and balanced for maximum sensitivity, these rods provide an action-packed battle every time you set the hook. Evolve Engaged Reel Seat models feature a high-performance 36-ton solid-body Toray graphite blank. Tennessee handle hole hopper rods are made with PC2 flat-tip blank technology. Third pick in our list is 13 Fishing Sony Core Stealth. If you've spent any time on the ice, you've probably come across 13 Fishing's famous line of inline reels. They also have excellent rods, and the white noise ultralight is on par with their other tackle options. The heart of this rod is a sensitive, strong graphite blank. That's a good start in our opinion, but to get the most out of this rod, use a braided line. It has a long, comfortable cork handle as well as 3 main guides in 13 Fishing's exclusive Evolve pattern. We're not sure what the material is, but we know how it feels: smooth, cool, and frictionless. Comfort is more than just a luxury. Experience some pure comfort with the Sony Core Ice Spinning Combo. This combo is made to fit your hands. Featuring an ergonomic handle and true touch knob, your hand will comfortably sit while you spend the day out on the ice. The rod is designed with a solid fiberglass blank, making it durable and strong. The fiberglass is light, which complements the lightweight graphite reel, reducing fatigue on you. Number 4 in our side is 13 Fishing Tickle Stick. The solid graphite blank is as sensitive as they come, allowing you to feel every bump and nibble, and it's as tough as a Marine veteran defending the flag. You can be confident that when you tie into a big one, this rod will have you covered. The handle is a soft feel synthetic that's well shaped for the specialized jigging we do in hard water, and the ALPS guides truly reduce the ice your line will try to deposit. The reel seat is even large enough to accommodate some standard spinning reels, transforming this into a monster slayer. Overall, this rod is an excellent choice and one of my favorite medium power rods. Number 5 in our top 5 best ice fishing rods list is Shakespeare Fuel Ice Fishing Reel. Shakespeare Fuel has been around for a long while, earning a well-deserved reputation for toughness through its various iterations. Not everyone's a fan, however, and these rods are not usually associated with finesse as much as iron cast durability. This 28-inch rod might change your mind if you'd usually shy away from the brand. Sensitive enough for you to detect the lightest of strikes, if you do hook a monster, your line will give in long before this rod will. In fact, if you're not sure what you might get nibbling on your lure, spool some 6-pound test and put your tackle to the test. We appreciate that versatility, and while not the most refined of the rods we tested, we're pretty sure it's the strongest. The Ugly Stick has 4 stainless steel primary guides, similar to Shakespeare's single-unit Ugly Tough configuration. It also has a soft, long-lasting EVA foam handle. While we don't recommend the reel that comes with most combos, this rod is more than capable of catching the biggest fish. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.